Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. We are studying about the cell cycle and cell division. In the previous video, already we have seen the cell cycle, and in this video, we are going to study about the cell division. Let us start the video. First of all, cell division means what? Cell division means what, student? The single parent cell is divided into two daughter cell. This is called as the cell division. Got it? What is meant by cell division? The cell division means the single cell divide and form into the two daughter cell is called as the cell division. There are two types of the cell division: mitosis and meiosis. First upon we see mitosis. Later we will details the study about the each phase of the mitosis. Mitosis means it is the cell division in which one parent cell divide into the two identical daughter cell. Means see, student, in the mitosis the somatic type of the cells are divided. Somatic cell means all body cell, head to the toes, means our skin, all the body cell except germ cells, except reproductive cell. All cells are divided itself by the process of mitosis. Understood, student? What is meant by mitosis? Mitosis, the process in which the somatic type of the cells are divided. Somatic cell means body cell. All our body cell, you know that our body is made from cell. Due to the cell division, we can grow, replacement of the body, repair the body. Okay. Mitosis, understood? What is meant by mitosis? Mitosis means the phase in which the somatic types of the cells are divide itself into the two daughter cell. Understood? What is meant by mitosis? In that mitosis, the same normal chromosome numbers is maintained in each cell division. Means see, the cell, it contain 23 pair of chromosome. 23 pair of chromosome. When the parent cell divide itself and form the two daughter cell, the chromosome numbers are maintained. Means each daughter cells is also have a 23 pair of chromosome. So it is like right like that 2n. 2n means diploid cells, means 23 pair of chromosomes are present in each daughter cell. Understood? And these cell divisions are leading the growth, replacement, repair and development. Means our body cells are divided so we can grow. Some cells in our body like that RBC cell, liver cells, they are replaced in some period. Means see, in the RBC cell have a 120 days lifespan. After 120 days, these cells are die and another cell is formed. Whenever our skin is injured, these cells are die and another cells are formed and repair our skin. These repairing of the skin, the growth, replacement and development by the process of mitosis. Understood? And single nuclear division after the chromosome duplication. Means what, student? In the parent cell there is also nucleus. The single nuclear division after the chromosomes of duplication, means again the daughter cells are contain the nucleus. Understood, student? What is meant by mitosis? Mitosis means the phase, the types of the cell division leading to the production of diploid cell for the growth and development, and the somatic type of the cells are divided by the process of mitosis. Means बेटा हमारे बॉडी के जो भी बॉडी सेल्स है, our skin, in our internal organs, except the reproductive cells, means except the reproductive cells, all the cells which is present in our body is divided by the process of माइटोसिस. माइटोसिस में क्या होता है, जो क्रोमोजोम नंबर से इट इज अ मेंटेन मीन्स डिप्लॉइड chromosomes means C. Diploid cells means one parent cell. It contains the 23 pair of chromosome. Again the one parent cell is divided and form the two daughter cell. It is also maintain the 23 pair of chromosomes. This is called as the diploid cell. What it? 23 pair means in the last lecture I explained about that. This is a single chromosomes and the pair of chromosomes. Like that 23 pair chromosomes are present in the daughter cell. Next is the type of cell division is meiosis. Mitosis divide the somatic cell means body cell, and meiosis these type of the cell division leadings to the production of gametes means C. In human being the male sperm cell, in the male have a sperm cell and female is the eggs. What it? These cells are divided by the process of meiosis. Understood? The cell division leads to the production of sex cell. Sex cell means gametes, reproductive cell. In male, the sperms are divided by the process of meiosis, and in female, the egg cell is divided by the process of meiosis. In same plant, the anther is the male gamete, okay, and the eggs, ovary is contain the ovules is the female gametes. Same like that, these also divided by the process of meiosis. Understood, student? What is mean by meiosis? Meiosis is the one kind of the cell division. It is the types of the cell division which leads to the production of sex cell, and only one gametes are formation. Means see, this is the sex cell. It also contain the 23 pair. When it is divided, it is the haploid means half number of chromosomes are produced. In the mitosis, the diploid chromosomes means the 23 pair of chromosomes are present, but in the meiosis, the half number of chromosomes, this is called as the haploid, and there are produced the four daughter cell. In the mitosis, there are two daughter cells are formed, and in the meiosis, four daughters are formed, and all the chromosomes are half in number means there is 23 pair, but in each daughter cells have only 23 chromosomes. Only 23 chromosomes, and these chromosomes is a haploid. Why 23 only? Because during the fusion of male and female sex cell, that times by the in the process of fertilization, means see, this is the sperm cell and this is the egg cell. There is only 23 chromosome, there is only 23 chromosomes. When these two sex cell fuse to each other by the process of fertilization, that times maintain the 23 pair of chromosomes in the cell, and cell become a diploid. So in the gamete cell have a haploid cells means half number of chromosomes are present, and the two nuclear division after the chromosome duplication. In the mitosis, single nuclear division, but in the meiosis, two nuclear divisions after the chromosome of duplication. Later we will see details what is the mitosis, what is the meiosis. Understood? See, we start the mitosis. Mitosis means the cell, our body cell, somatic cells. Mitosis leads to the division of body cell. Body cell, it is also called as the somatic cell. Understood? Mitosis means the one kind of the cell division, one types of the cell division, and in that cell division only body cells are divided. Got it? See, the phases of mitosis. There are two main step of mitosis. माइटोसिस क्या है बेटा? हमारे बॉडी के जो सेल्स है मीन्स आवर स्किन सेल, आवर इंटरनल ऑर्गन सेल्स एक्सेप्ट रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल, all cells are divided by the process of mitosis. In the mitosis there are two steps. First is the karyokinesis. karyokinesis, and another is the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. See student, karyokinesis, it is the division of nucleus. See, karyokinesis means karyokinesis means the माइटोसिस में बॉडी सेल डिवाइड्स होते हैं. इन द माइटोसिस देयर हैव अ 2 स्टेप. फर्स्ट इज द karyokinesis and another is the cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means what? The division of nucleus. न्यूक्लियस का जो भी डिविजन्स होता है, दिस स्टेप इज कॉल्ड एज द karyokinesis, and division of cytoplasm is called as the cytokinesis. Understood? The karyokinesis have a 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. During these 4 phases, the nucleus is divided into the 2, means one single nucleus is divided into the 2 nucleus. After the cytoplasm division, the 2 daughter cells are formed. Let us see in details how does the 4 phases are divide the nucleus. Okay, understood what is the mitosis? The 2 steps: karyokinesis, cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means what? Division of nucleus, and cytokinesis means what? Division of cytoplasm. There are 4 phases of karyokinesis. Let us see first prophase. See student, wait. See student, during the in cell cycle we have seen interphase. During the interphase, the cell is prepared for the cell division. means cell interphase में क्या होता है, जो भी DNA है it make the duplicate. means see, this is the structure of DNA. The one stand means one end of the DNA is split. It is open at the one end and making the another DNA. See, this is called as the replication of DNA. In that way, in the interphase, the DNA are duplicate. means जितना भी material है, this material is double in interphase, and cell is ready in the cell division. This figure is wrong student, because we have seen in interphase there is again the nuclear membrane, nucleus, and in nucleus is contained the chromatin fiber, but these chromatin fibers are become a double. Okay, understood what is meant by interphase? Interphase means the phase in which the cell cell is prepare the chromatin fibers double in the प्रोसेस ऑफ सेल डिवीजन. मीन्स क्या होता है, इंटरफेज में जो डीएनए है वो डबल में फॉर्म हो जाते हैं टू डिवाइड द इटसेल्फ इनटू द 2 डॉटर सेल. अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज द इंटरफेज? इंटरफेज इज द नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ माइटोसिस. इट इज द सेपरेट फेज. इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट फेज. 90% are cells in the interphase stage. Understood? 90% the cell in a interphase stage, and in that stage the cell is fully prepared for the cell division. Understood? And next phase is the prophase. First phase of mitosis, prophase. What happens student? We have seen the structure of cell. It is a cell. Its cell is contain nucleus. It is also contain the chloroplast, mitochondria, lysosomes. We are not studying now. It is contained, but we are studying only the part of the cell which is responsible for cell division. In the karyokinesis, first upon we see the division of nucleus. You know that the centrosomes, this organelle which is present in only animal cell, and these centrosomes are responsible for the cell division. In the last year, in the cell, the basic unit of life, in that lesson we have studied about that the centrosomes. Centrosomes is responsible for cell division, and these centrosomes are present in only animal cell, not in the plant cell. Means what student? Cell nucleus, in the centrosomes are contained the 2 centrioles. During the prophase, these centrioles These centrioles are move apart from each other and reaching the opposite pole. Means see, the cell nucleus, the centrosomes are divided into the two centrioles, and these centrioles are move apart from each other, and these two centrioles are reaches into the opposite pole. Understood? Centrosomes are divided itself into the two centrioles. These two centrioles are moving apart from each other and reaches to the opposite pole. Got it? These chromatin fibers, see, these chromatin fibers are distinct, coiled, condense and form the chromosome. Got it? Means we have seen the chromatin fiber during the prophase. These chromatin fibers are condensed and like that pair of chromosomes. These sister chromatin attached to the centromeres. Means the chromosome get duplicated, sister chromatid and attach at the centromeres. Understood? प्रोफेज में क्या होता है, जो centrosomes is a organelle, cell organelle. It contains the two centrioles. The centrosomes are the centrioles are divide from each other and move apart and reaches to the pole. Chromatin fiber, जो भी chromatin fiber which is present in the cell, it condense and form into the chromosome, and two sister chromatids are attached to each other at the centromere. Understood? And in between the two centrioles, the spindle fibers are appear. Spindle fibers means what, student? It is like that, the spider web like structure. You know spider web? These spider web like structures are appear in between the two centrioles. See, in the figure you have seen properly. These is the sister chromatids are attached to each other at the centrioles. These two are these two are the centrioles, and the spindle fiber, this line is called as the spindle fibers. These spindle fibers are appear in between the two centrioles. This is the aster rays. Aster rays also formed by the centrioles, and the chromosomes attached to the spindle fiber at the centromere. Understood? This is in the prophase also have a two phase, early prophase and later prophase. Understood? And these chromosomes are start moving towards the equator. Means see, the cell in the nucleus, the centrioles, the spindle fibers are appears, and these chromosomes are moved towards the center. Understood? What is the change in prophase? Means we have seen, student, prophase is the first phase of mitosis. It is the first phase of karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means, karyokinesis में क्या होता है बेटा, न्यूक्लियस का डिवीजन होता है. In that karyokinesis there are 4 phases. In the first phase is the prophase. What happened in the prophase? In the prophase, the centrosomes are divided into the two centrioles. The two centrioles are move apart from each other and reaches to the opposite pole. There appear the spindle fiber. Spindle fiber means the spider web like structure. The chromatin fibers is condensed and form into the chromosomes, and two sister chromatids. In previous video we have seen what is meant by the sister chromatid, centromere. Okay, these sister chromatin attached to the spindle fiber by centromere. And in the phase, this is the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membranes are disappear. The nucleolus is also disappear. These change in the prophase. Understood? What is the prophase? Next phase is the metaphase. During the metaphase, each chromosomes are attached to the spindle by the centromeres. Means see, this is the nucleus, centromere, means each chromosomes are attached to the spindle fiber. Means see like that. This is the spindle fiber and the chromosomes are attached to the spindle fiber by its centromere, and all the chromosomes are lined up in the plane of equator. Understood? What is the change in the metaphase? Metaphase में क्या हो जाता है? जो भी chromosomes है, these chromosomes are attached to the spindle fiber by its centromere, and all chromosomes are line up in the one plane of equator. Next phase of the mitosis is the anaphase. Anaphase means during the anaphase, two sister chromatids are divided. Means see, the two sister chromatids are divided from centromeres, and the spindle fiber, these spindle fibers are short, and each chromosomes are move apart from each other. Means क्या होता है? देखो, this is the centromere, this is the spindle fiber. First upon the chromosomes are like that. These chromosomes are divided from centromere, and the spindle fibers are shorter, and the chromosomes are move apart from each other into the opposite pole. Understood? And the furrow is start into the cell membrane. Means see, this is the cell and appear the furrow. The furrow is appear. Got it? This is called as the furrow. And this is a centromere. The spindle fibers become short, and chromosomes are divide. Chromosomes are divide and reaches to opposite pole. Understood? These changes during the anaphase. And last phase of karyokinesis is the telophase. See, what happened in the telophase, student? The each chromatin threads are lengthened. Means see, in the anaphase we have seen the chromosomes are move apart from each other and reaches into the opposite pole. Okay, the spindle fibers are short. What happened? Means the furrow are deep. The furrow are deep, and again the chromosomes are converted into the chromatin fiber. Means in that telophase, the nucleus are totally divided to each other. The nucleus is divided. Again the nuclear membranes are reappear, nucleolus is reappear, and the chromosome is converted into the chromatin thread. Understood? What is the change in telophase? Means totally the nucleus is divided into the parent's nucleus is divided into the daughter nucleus. Understood? See student, in the nucleus is also 23 pair of chromosomes, but your better understanding, I in the diagram in textbook also show only 4 number of chromosomes. Okay, because you can properly draw the diagrams and you can show the actual structure and what is the change in each phase. Understood? Telophase is the last phase of the karyokinesis. Means the nucleus is totally divided from each other. Understood? What change in the telophase? जो भी chromosomes थे, it is convert into the chromatin thread. The nuclear membrane is reappear, nucleolus is reappear in each daughter cell. Understood? This is called as the karyokinesis, and we have seen the 4th step of karyokinesis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. In the last phase of the mitosis is the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis means the division of cytoplasm. You know the cytoplasm is the liquid. It contains the many enzymes, many chemicals, which is very important for the cell. In the last, what happened in telophase, we have seen the nucleus is divided. Okay, the furrow is very deep, and it formed the membrane, means the cleavage. It formed the cleavage, and the cytoplasms are divided and form the 2 new cell. Understood? What is the cytokinesis? In the cytokinesis, the end of the telophase, the furrow appear into the cell membrane in the middle, which is deepened and finally split the cytoplasm into the 2 and producing the 2 new cell. 2 new daughter cells are formed. It contains the 2 nucleus, singular nucleus. Understood? This is called as the mitosis. We have seen the structure of the animal cell. what happens in the plant cell, because plant is also living thing, means in the animal cell all the body cells, all the somatic cell, all the body cells except reproductive cells are divided by the process of mitosis. In the plant only the meristematic tissue. In the tissue lesson we have seen meristematic tissue is dividing tissue. Due to the meristematic tissue, the plant can grow by shoot part and root part. Means the cell divisions appear in plant cell only the tips of the roots and tips of the shoot. What happen? We have seen in the plant cell there is no centrosomes. Then how does the cell is divide itself? The all same, means it is also spindle fibers appear, chromatin threads is converted into the chromosomes. Again these the chromosomes are divide itself. Means same like that, prophase, anaphase, telophase is happening in the plant cell. But what happens, student? In the cytokinesis, in the animal cell furrower appear, but in the plant cell the cell plates are appear, cell plates, and these cell plates are divide the cytoplasm into the two daughter cell. Understood, student? What is the mitosis? Mitosis is the one types of the cell division, and these cell divisions are leads to the divide of our body cell. Understood? Due to this mitosis we can grow, increase the body size due to the formation of new cell, new tissue, repair of the damaged wounded tissue, okay, replacements of the old and dead cell, blood cell, epidermal, our skin. After 8 days our skin are replace the new cell. Okay, understood? And in the meiosis is the dividation of the reproductive cell. In the next lecture we will study about that the meiosis. Mitosis समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको? What is mean by cell division? Cell division में means the parent cell is divided into the two daughter cell. It's called as the cell division. Cell division two types, mitosis and meiosis. What happened in the mitosis? Mitosis divided the somatic cell, body cell, except the germ cell. बॉडी के जो भी सेल्स होते हैं डिवाइड होते हैं बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ माइटोसिस. माइटोसिस के टू टाइप्स है, कैरियोकाइनेसिस, साइटोकाइनेसिस. कैरियोकाइनेसिस मीन्स व्हाट स्टूडेंट? द डिवीजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस का डिवीजन कैरियोकाइनेसिस में होता है, एंड साइटोप्लाज्म का जो डिवीजन होता है इट इज कॉल्ड एज द cytokinesis. This karyokinesis also have a 4 phases. Understood? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. During the 4 phases, the nucleus are divided into the 2 daughter nucleus. Understood, student? What is the mitosis? In the next video, I will explain you in the meiosis. Thank you, student.